Fuck, we gotta go get him, dude.
What up, YouTube? We are deep in the mountains. Right now, we got Kurt right here. Casey. We're waiting on Danny and Rob. They're on the way, running late. So I think we're going to take a quick warm-up lap. Got the V10, and we're going to go shooting afterwards. Brought some pew-pews, so we're going to have some fun after we ride.
A few minutes later.
All right, this is our first time hitting this trail, the warm-up trail. And there's like a little feature right here. Oh my God, it is blown out. Damn. Missing all the good stuff. Oh, they're kind of back to back. Okay, so it's pretty dry, dusty. We're just all going blind. We have no idea where we're going. Oh. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Whatever you hit, I hit the same thing. Mine just grabbed my rear, threw it to the side. Maybe I'm gonna go put my elbow pads on. Dude, it's loose, man. Oh, what's up, Rob? How you doing, brother?
Good.
You guys been here long?
No, we get
Okay. What's up, Danny? What's going on, brother? Hell yeah.
You just go all the way up.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Nice and easy.
Yeah.
I'll trail on the back.
Okay. All right. Ride safe. All right. This is gonna be lap 2. I'm following Danny. Okay, so conditions are definitely not as good as they were a few weeks ago, but compared to the first trail we hit, this is a lot better. Woo! Oh! Wow, that shit's pretty fucked up right there. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I got so lucky. You good?
Yeah.
Fuck. All right, warm up. Done.
The trail's not that bad. It feels good actually right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
I gotta work on my wrist to make it stronger, bro. So.
All right, this is the 3rd lap from Rob. Yikes. So fucking good right now. That's the better line. That's the better one.
I hit it right after you said something.
Yeah, that's in a bad spot.
I didn't see that earlier.
Jeez.
Yep, they're like we don't know if it was him or not.
All right, I think this is lap 4 following Casey. Oh shit! Oh my god, you okay? Oh, oh my god. Oh, oh. Ah, it is so dusty. Dude. There's a big difference between rolling in the 3rd position and the 4th position. Oh, 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 oh my god. Ah! Ah! Everybody has different lines. Oh man. Jesus. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're hiking up to the upper trail. Haven't hit this in probably like a year. Right, safe? Alright, we're gonna do the upper trail. Follow Danny. Oh, oh, that was right here. Forgot. Woo! A lot of off camber. Oh. Yeah! Oh, fuck! Woo! Oh my god. I'm good. Dude, this little tree fucked me up, dude. This little tree right here, dude. The fucking, I knew I should have worn my armor. Goodness. My bike, the tire hit the tree. Yeah, everything's good. Right safe. Oh, dope. Oh yeah, that's steep and loose. Oh my god, dude. It's so rutted. It's a different line. was a different line.
Ooh, that's a pretty good
Yeah.
fucking compression right there.
Ooh, I like that line. That's dope. All right,
Yeah, it
dude.
makes it worth it. This is fun.
Okay.
Yeah. Boys, you guys have fun.
All right, dude. Later, Kurt.
Yeah, good ride. Stop at the restaurant tomorrow. And
Okay. Stay hydrated. Right there. All right. I'm gonna be leading this. This is I think number 6. Oh yeah, cleared that shit.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh shit, I think I fucked them up. I took some fucked up line. Did I fuck you up?
No, it wasn't you. But it wasn't hard. I'm good.
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm sorry, Casey. That was my fault, dude. I don't fucking learn my lesson. Everything was all good and gravy till we pounded that beer, and then we started making stupid decisions.
That's why, dude. Always blame the beer. With a fat chick next to you.
Yeah, it was the beers.
We finished riding. We're now gonna go shooting. Rob.
What was it?
Dude, I've never been here, so it'll be good. Got a best and right